Hi guys, Andy here. Let's have a look at the DAX. Today is Sunday, February 18th, and here we are looking at the daily time frame. In the weekly, not much has changed compared to my previous higher time frame analysis. So let's start in the daily. And an important moment here on the daily chart is the October low. It is clear from the October low that we started some new cycle here in the higher time frame. However, what we do not know yet is if this structure right here is part of a wave 1, which is not finished yet in the higher degree, or that we are already working on this wave 3 here in the higher degree. For the moment, um, we cannot really decide on this. We need more data. What is sure that is that we have an impulse here from the October low, and so this could be the wave 1 as shown in red of this wave 3, or this is a short wave 3 as part of this wave 1. So in the higher time frame, in both scenarios, we would expect more upside. This structure does not look finished to the upside, especially if we need here a fifth wave and definitely a third wave. This structure here is not yet finished. However, that does not mean that we cannot turn down from here. There is a scenario on the lower time frame where we can make this wave too low. But so on the higher time frame, I would say we have in both scenarios, in the red scenario and in the green scenario, unfinished upward structures. So therefore, we believe that more upside is to come here in the DAX. Then, if we go to the 4-hour chart. So here, I think the 4-hour chart is the most interesting one and the one to focus on, because I told you in the daily that okay, we expect more upside in the DAX because of the unfinished upward structures. However, there is a chance that before going up, we make a correction here as a wave 2. So kind of a deep correction, I would say, as it is a wave 2, and that would go as an expanded flat structure. So this here is our impulse from the October lows, and so if this here was our wave 1, then it could be that we are working on a wave 2 as an expanded flat. So first of all, the target area for our wave 2 would be the area between the 0.5 and the 0.854 FIB retracement. Now, it is possible that if we had a shallow wave 2, like this is a corrective structure, 1, 2, 3, that our wave 2 low was in right here. However, if we respect the guidelines, then we should go into this area that I just showed you with the Fibonacci tool. And okay, as we took out the high right here, the options to go there here as a wave 2 are limited. Actually, the only scenario that is still possible would be an expanded flat structure. So that would mean that we have a wave A here in 3, 1, 2, 3, and then here we have an overshooting wave B. So last Friday we saw an interesting move, I would say, because this here is our wave B area. So if we take the length of the wave A, then we know that our wave B should go here between the 1 and the 1.236 FIB extension. As you can see, we went slightly beyond this level, but I would say this is still okay. So actually, I believe this high, or maybe we can make one more marginal new high, but this high here serves as the extreme case of our wave B. So as soon as we start a new cycle here to the upside, like taking out the high right here significantly, yeah, that would mean that we can focus on the bullish scenarios as I explained you in the daily. Then I would say this wave 2 scenario is no longer valid, and then it could be that our wave 2 was in right here, or that this was the wave 4 low, but that we can continue looking up. So in that sense, here the current high, or this high, seems quite important for the DAX. If we go to the 1 hour, you can see it here in more detail. Like I said, this high is important. At the same time, we could expect like a marginal new high, but we cannot go way beyond this high. So I prefer to classify this as a WXY structure if this is a wave B. However, there is a possibility that this here was an impulse. So then this can be a wave A, this the wave below, and this here or wave C. And if this has to be a wave C, we are missing a fifth wave up. Then we have 1, 2, 3, 4, and so then we should make one more marginal new high to finish this C wave of the B wave. That's a possibility, but in general, this level here is crucial for the DAX in the sense of can we expect a major pullback here as a wave 2, or do we just continue to the upside with shallow pullbacks as we had so far? So this high here quite important for the bearish scenario on the lower time frame, the bearish scenario showing a bigger wave 2 pullback. If we interpret the data in a bullish manner, like I told you, then the correction could be over right here. I also explained this in my previous videos. We have 3 waves here, 1, 2, 3, nice corrective structure. So this can be our wave 4, depending on which scenario you like in the higher time frame. Could be a wave 4, could actually also be a shallow wave 2. That's also a possibility. And then from here, from this low, we could have another another cycle up, actually, with this being a wave 1, as shown in green, 5 waves, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then again, another shallow wave 2 pullback, 1, 2, 3, as an expanded flat structure. So wave A and 3, 1, 2, 3, overshooting wave B, respecting the area of our wave B, and going down here as a wave C. I do not really like this structure here as a wave C, but okay, it would work. And then if we further look to the upside, then this here actually becomes our target area. So like I said, another shallow wave to pullback, that's a possibility. And then here we know the target area for our wave 3. If we take the length of the wave 1, the length of this shallow wave 2, then our wave 3 should go into the area between the 1 and the 1.618 FIB extension. And yeah, from this wave 2 low, if this here becomes our target, we do not have all the data yet, but so far I would say that this here is a wave 1, a shallow wave 2, and then here on the lower time frame, this can become our wave 3 target, and this we find again by taking the length of the wave 1, the length of the wave 2, and then here this becomes our target, the area between the 1 and the 1.618 VIP extension, and that would be the path to go into this wave 3 area. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So what's crucial now for the DAX is to monitor if this high is holding or not. Like I told you, we could accept a marginal new high. In that case, this wave B structure here would be an A, B, C. If we hold it like it is, then it is an W, X, Y structure with this here 3 waves, 1, 2, 3. And so that would mean if the high is holding right here and we start to take out, for instance, first, let's say, yeah, this low, then we would already know something more, because if we take out this low, this cannot be a wave 2 anymore. But this low right here is more crucial. If we would take out the low right here while this high is holding, then then I think we have to put our focus on a scenario where we go down here as a wave C. Okay, that's it for now. If you enjoyed this analysis, please like, subscribe, comment to support my work. And I see you one of the next days for another video on the DAX. Have a nice day. Bye bye.